First, before I get into the video, I just want to say that I am pretty sorry because I have not been uploading that consistently, but I have been working on so many things at once. Each video that I make takes at least 1 week to edit, and some of them even take up to 5 months to edit. And also, please subscribe down below because it would help me out a lot, and it would make me pretty happy because it is my dream to become a successful YouTuber. I'm not going to play the intro in today's video because this video is not really what I do on this channel. Again, I make tons of other different content, unlike this, that actually take effort, unlike this video, and I know you will definitely like it. So anyway, let us jump right into the video.
I'm not going to compare the 2020 Supra because there is a 2022 Supra, which is the same car as the 2021. Since there are no interior acceleration videos of the new Nissan Z, here's a bonus round. Drift Battle Mofos.
Alright, the video is over now, but again, I just don't really make these videos on this channel, but if you do want to see more exhaust comparisons, just tell me which ones you want to see in the comments down below. And again, I just make these videos just because they do really, really well on this channel. Again, I make everything from vlogs to reviews to my personal opinions to car redesigns to pretty much everything a car guy would want in a YouTube channel. It's all on here on The Car Craze. So make sure you subscribe down below and turn on post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I make a new video. But please leave a like on the video also, and if you did like today's video, I hope to see you in a future video, and bye for now.
Insanity.